So you're willing to work with the actual great tools of the Google Drive and the actual Gemini. To get started, first of all, what I'm going to be doing here is to open the drive.google.com. So there's two different ways of how you can actually make the upgrade your storage to an active agent. So thanks to the Google's completion normalization of the Gemini native across Drive, your cloud storage is now an active research engine and automated visual organizer. So to start launching the full screen, we can ask Gemini. So first of all, what I'm going to do is to look out for the left margin in the sidebar that pops up under the source panel, or you can see into the upper right corner. If you click directly with the element that says Ask Gemini, this will be sending us directly into the element that says Ask questions about your specific files. So we can add sources for deep insights, we can add from the actual Drive, or add from the actual Gmail. So let Gemini search for sources. I want to activate all of these elements, and if you wanted to, you can select an actual element, for example a to-do list. So ask questions about your specific files. For example, let's say that I click, for example, if this is specific to-do list, so I click directly into this element. So let's say I needed to add 10 more subjects for my to-do list as an example. I send it directly with the Google Gemini inside the actual Google Drive. We'll be collecting all the actual information of the files that I'm currently telling to be focusing on, instead of just looking for all my actual Google Drive files. And as you can see, it will be telling you based on the current to-do list, prior tutorials, all like this, just to-do list, and all of my actual elements to do focusing on. So as you can see, has confirmed for the next batch, blah, 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 blah. Would you like me to help to draft a production question for the recording test? Yes or no? Export it to the actual documents. Something else that you can be focusing on, for example, is to save this as an actual project, or to just close this and start all over again. Now, if you're going to be working on side by side with the actual Google Drive, I must tell you that you might be needed to get an actual Google One plan, which is counted for the light version and the AI Pro version. This will be costing $0 for only 1 month offer if you try this out right now. If you go into one.google.com, so you can try this out. Now, I can create a travel plan for my upcoming trip that includes a travel summary, logistics, and itinerary, and I can even add all of this directly with the actual search for the sources, which in this case all my actual Google Drive files. We can clear the color natively with Organize My Files. For example, you can let the Google Drive understanding how we can actually organize all the actual file, or to look out for a specific document that you're actually aiming for or looking for. Something else is that when you linked your Gmail contacts directly into the actual Drive, what you can do is to focus, for example, into cross-reference the travel itinerary just from the connected Gmail. Let's say, for example, send this to this email, and I just add this specific. I believe like the free version has limited resources, but still there's a lot of things that we can actually do directly into the Google Drive if you wanted to try them out. So as you can see, depending on the actual account that you currently have, you might be having more different promotional access depending into how you're actually aiming for. But in this case, for example, it says that we cannot send emails, but still it will be generating, for example, the actual email strategy. So I can use that, so I can copy the actual draft, and I can be pasting directly the introductory email to accompany this mail with send it to the contact. Let's say that yes. So as you can see, it's going to be really great that we can use the Google Gemini into Google Drive. The only process is going to be limited is that we are not going to be able to use it because we don't have the Google One plan available. But this will be really helpful for you if this faster your fluid cloud storage optimization got cleared the workflow clear today. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel for your daily dose of the clean technology masterclasses. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Hopefully, with all of this being said, we can see you guys well next time.